How to log in to Cash app with Cashtag. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Cash app with Cashtag. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So firstly, head over to Cash app from your device. So as of today, you cannot log in into your Cash app with your Cashtag. But here is what you can do in other ways. Once you open up your Cash app, you will see this page. You can simply use your email address. And in case you don't remember your email address, you can also use your phone number. Once you enter your email address or phone number, tap on next. Now a code will be sent there. Go ahead and check your confirmation code and simply paste it here. And just like that, you will be successfully logged in to Cash app. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.